In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in Brevo. This is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type Brevo into the search bar. This is the first step in accessing the Brevo platform, where you can manage your campaigns effectively. Once you find the Brevo website, click on it to enter the home page. Navigating through familiar search engines like Google or Bing is usually quickest for most people. After arriving on the home page of Brevo, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the Sign In button. Click on it to enter your account details. It might take a moment as you fill in your username and password, but this will guide you to the main dashboard of your account where all your campaign tools are located. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the section where you manage your campaigns. If you're creating a new campaign or updating an existing one, you'll need to find the Advanced Settings section in your campaign dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Within the advanced settings, you can tailor your campaigns to suit specific needs, whether it be for email, SMS, WhatsApp, or even push notifications. It's your central hub for all things campaign-related, so be sure to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. In the advanced settings, you'll notice an option labeled Edit Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Newsletter settings or a similarly named section. Here, you'll find the crucial option to add a tag. Tags are a handy way to organize and segment your campaigns, allowing you to target specific audiences or track different aspects of your marketing efforts with ease. In the field provided under Add a Tag, you can type in your desired tag name. If your tag has already been created in a previous campaign, you can simply select it from the drop-down menu that appears. This is a helpful feature that keeps everything organized and ensures you don't end up with duplicate tags. However, if you're adding a new tag, just type the tag name accordingly. Once you've confirmed that the tag you've entered doesn't already exist, click on Add a New Item to officially create it. This step ensures that your new tag is saved in Brevo's system, ready to be used in your current or future campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tag in Brevo. This small but significant step can greatly enhance the organization and effectiveness of your campaigns moving forward. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!